Okay, so we're diving into AI-powered side hustles today. And I know our listeners are probably thinking about how to, earn extra cash using AI.
Yeah, absolutely.
But we're going even deeper than that,
Hmm.
right? We're talking about how to really leverage AI for automation, making smarter decisions, maybe even building some passive income streams.
And the thing is, you don't have to be like a coding whiz to do any of this. These AI tools are becoming so accessible.
Totally. So let's break it down. Like, what exactly are we talking about when we say AI-powered side hustles? What makes them different?
Well, it's all about using AI to do a lot of the heavy lifting for tasks like designing stuff, generating content, or even analyzing trends to figure out, what's going to sell. So you can really streamline your efforts and potentially create income streams that don't require you to be working 24/7.
Okay, so less hustle, more flow.
Yeah.
Got it. But I need a real world example. Like, how does this actually play out in a side hustle?
Okay, so let's say you're interested in print on demand, you know, designing and selling things like t-shirts, mugs, all that cool stuff. But you don't want to deal with the printing and shipping.
Right.
So instead of spending hours like sketching out designs, you can use an AI tool
Right.
like Mid-Journey.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of that one.
You just give it a prompt like a retro robot holding a bouquet of flowers or something,
Right.
and boom, it creates a unique design that you can slap on a t-shirt and start selling.
So wait, I can go from zero to a t-shirt design. I can actually sell online in like minutes.
Pretty much.
That's way faster than me trying to come up with something myself, and probably more creative too, honestly. So what's the catch?
Well, the key with print on demand is you got to make sure your designs are actually things people want to buy.
Of course.
AI can help you analyze trends, but also, tap in your own creativity.
Yeah,
What are people talking about? What's going viral?
like memes and stuff.
Exactly. Holiday themes too.
Right.
Capitalize on those trends and make sure your designs stand out. And then there are platforms like Printful or Teespring that make it super easy to actually get your designs onto products and connect with online shops like Etsy or even your own Shopify store.
So low upfront investment and the potential to earn some serious cash. I like it. But what about for people who are less visually inclined? More like word people. What kind of AI side hustle would work for them?
Well, in that case, affiliate marketing might be a good fit. You promote other companies' products or services and earn a commission for every sale you drive through your unique link.
Right, I've heard of that. But it sounds like a lot of work.
It can be, but imagine if you could automate a big chunk of it using AI.
Okay, now you've got my attention. So you're talking about content creation, right?
Right.
Writing blog posts, social media captions, all that stuff.
Exactly. Tools like ChatGPT can write entire blog posts or product reviews for you based on just a few prompts from you. Yeah. It can save you tons of time and effort, and you can even use AI to research, the best affiliate programs to join, like ones with higher commissions,
Yeah.
for online courses or software, things like that.
Okay, so AI is doing the research, the writing. What else?
Well, you also want to make sure your content sounds like you. So you can use tools like Jasper to kind of polish up the AI-generated stuff.
Yeah.
And give your own personal touch.
Gotcha. But consistency is key, right? With affiliate marketing, you got to be posting stuff regularly.
Absolutely. And that's where automation comes in. You can use AI to write your content, schedule it to post automatically on your social media using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite, and basically create a system that's working for you even when you're not.
Whoa, so AI is practically building an entire marketing machine for me. This is blowing my mind. But what if I want to create something more substantial, like a whole book? Can AI help me with that?
Get this. Imagine becoming a published author, not in months or years, but in a matter of hours. That's what's possible with AI-powered ebook creation. You use tools like ChatGPT and Writesonic, and you take your book outline, your structure, your big ideas,
Yeah.
and the AI transforms it into a full draft.
Wait, hold on. Let me get this straight. I provide the outline, and the AI writes the whole book.
Pretty much. It's like having a ghostwriter who works at lightning speed.
That sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie.
I know, right? But it's real. And once you have that AI-generated draft, you can use other tools like Atticus or Readsy to get it formatted professionally for ebook platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing.
So, boom, you're a published author. This is making me rethink my whole I'm not creative enough to write a book excuse.
You should. You'd be surprised what you can create with a little help from AI.
Okay, so I have a confession. I get stressed out just thinking about managing inventory, packing boxes, shipping orders, the whole e-commerce thing. Is there an AI side hustle that lets me skip all that?
You're thinking about dropshipping.
Yeah, is that what it's called?
Yep. And you're in luck. Because dropshipping is all about selling products online without actually holding any inventory yourself.
That sounds amazing. And you're saying AI can make this even easier.
Oh, absolutely. AI can streamline pretty much every step of the process.
Okay, I'm officially intrigued. Break it down for me. How does AI fit into the dropshipping world?
Well, first off, imagine skipping hours of product research and instead using AI tools like Sell the Trend or Zik Analytics to identify winning products.
Winning products, meaning.
Things that are in high demand but low competition. Like pet accessories, home office gadgets, things people always need.
Well,
Those are your evergreen winners.
gotcha.
Then there's AI-powered website creation while. Platforms like Shopify have this thing called Magic Editor that can basically design your entire online store for you.
Seriously, so I don't even need to know how to code.
Nope. And then there's marketing. You can use AI to generate eye-catching ad banners with tools like AdCreative.ai, and then use platforms like Facebook Ads Manager to make sure those ads are reaching the right audience.
So I'm getting the right product in front of the right people, all with AI doing a lot of the work. That sounds like a dream come true.
It is pretty sweet. And, while we're talking about, making money, it's important to remember that these AI tools can also be used to solve problems you care about or create something truly valuable for others.
Oh, I like that. It's not just about the hustle. It's about making a difference, too.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
that can actually make your side hustle even more successful in the long run.
I never thought about it that way. So to recap, we've talked about AI-driven print-on-demand for the visual creators, automated affiliate marketing for the word wizards,
Right.
AI-powered ebook creation for aspiring authors, and then automating dropshipping with AI for those who want to be e-commerce entrepreneurs without the inventory headaches.
Exactly. And we're just scratching the surface. There's a whole universe of AI-powered possibilities out there.
This is getting good. I can't wait to hear more. All right, so we dove headfirst into this AI side hustle thing last time,
Yeah, we did.
and we just scratched the surface. I feel like there's so much more to explore.
Oh, there totally is. So much more. Let's talk about AI-generated art and photography. You don't have to be a master artist to create incredible stuff.
Wait, hold on. AI can actually create art, like paintings and photos that look like the real deal?
Yep. Platforms like DLE2, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, they've gotten so good. You just type in a text prompt describing the image you want. Like, say, a surreal landscape with floating islands and glowing waterfalls.
Okay, that sounds amazing.
Right. And the AI generates a totally unique piece of art based on your description.
So I could create art without ever picking up a paintbrush or a camera. That's wild. I'm starting to see why everyone's freaking out about AI. But how do you actually turn this into a side hustle? Like, where do you even sell AI-generated art?
There are actually tons of options. You can create prints of your AI art and sell them on Etsy or Fine Art America. People are always looking for cool, unique stuff to decorate their homes and offices.
That makes sense.
And you can also create and sell like digital assets, stock photos, design elements that graphic designers or marketers can use. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are great for that.
Okay, I see the potential here. But are people actually buying AI-generated art? Is there really a demand for it?
Oh, yeah, totally. It's growing like crazy.
Yeah.
People are using it for everything from personal stuff to commercial projects. Like interior designers use it for visualization, marketing agencies use it for ad campaigns, musicians are using it for album covers.
So it's not just a fad, it's a real thing.
It's the real deal. And it can be super profitable, too.
This is definitely something I need to look into. But let's switch gears for a second and talk about something I'm kind of obsessed with. Personal finance.
Hmm.
Are there any AI-powered side hustles for someone who isn't exactly a Wall Street guru, but, wants to be smarter with their money?
This is where AI can really level the playing field. Traditionally investing has been this complicated, time-consuming thing, but AI-powered investing platforms are making it way easier for regular people to manage their money.
Okay, I'm all ears. So does AI, like, magically tell me which stocks to pick?
No, it's more sophisticated than that. It's like having an AI financial advisor. These platforms use powerful algorithms to analyze mountains of financial data, spotting patterns and trends that would take humans forever to figure out.
So it's like having a robot Warren Buffett in my pocket.
Kind of. They can help you diversify your portfolio, manage risk, even automate your investments based on your goals and your risk tolerance.
So it's like a personalized AI investment strategy.
Exactly.
Sign me up.
Well,
But be honest, can I really trust an algorithm with my hard-earned cash?
that's a great question, and it's super important to do your research. Choose platforms that have a good reputation, a proven track record.
Right.
Look for ones that are transparent about their methods and have strong security measures to protect your investments.
So proceed with caution, but don't be afraid to explore. That's good advice. It's not all about money, though. Some people want to use their skills and knowledge to make a real difference. Are there any AI-powered side hustles that tap into that? Like contributing to something bigger than yourself?
Absolutely. AI is actually being used to address some of the world's biggest challenges,
Mm-hmm.
like climate change, healthcare education. You can totally be part of that movement by using your skills to contribute to AI-powered social good initiatives.
I'm all about using tech for good. Give me some concrete examples. Like, how is AI actually making a difference in these areas?
Okay, well, for starters, AI is being used to analyze environmental data, predict natural disasters, and develop more efficient renewable energy sources.
Wow, that's huge.
Right. And then in healthcare, AI is helping to diagnose diseases earlier, personalize treatment plans, accelerate drug discovery, potentially saving lives.
That's credible.
And in education, AI is being used to create personalized learning experiences,
Hmm.
provide access to quality education for underserved communities, bridge the digital divide.
These are seriously inspiring examples, but how can I, as like an individual, get involved in all this?
There are tons of ways. You can volunteer your time and skills to organizations using AI for good. You can donate to support their work, and you can even start your own AI-powered project focused on a cause you're passionate about.
I love that idea, using AI to make a real difference in the world. Okay, so we've covered so many different AI side hustles, but what are like some key skills or qualities that are essential for anyone who wants to succeed in this space?
Well, first and foremost, you got to be adaptable and eager to learn new things. AI is constantly changing, so staying up to date on the latest trends and technologies is key.
Makes sense. What else?
You also need to be creative and think outside the box.
Yeah.
AI tools are powerful, but you got to come up with innovative ways to use them.
So it's not just about knowing how to use the tools, it's about having the vision to see their potential.
Exactly. And then you got to be comfortable with technology and willing to experiment.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to try new things, even if you're not sure if they'll work.
Yeah.
The beauty of AI is that it allows you to iterate quickly and learn from your mistakes.
So it's all about embracing the learning process.
Yeah. And don't forget perseverance. Building a successful side hustle takes time, effort, dedication.
The hustle is real.
But with the right mindset and the power of AI at your fingertips, the possibilities are pretty much endless.
I'm feeling so inspired. We've gone from AI-generated art to AI-powered investing to using AI for good. It's clear that AI isn't just changing the game for side hustles, it's creating a whole new playing field.
And we're just getting warmed up. There's a whole universe of AI-powered side hustles out there.
This is getting good. I can't wait to hear more. All right, so we've talked about all these amazing AI side hustle opportunities, but now I want to hear from the people who are actually out there making it happen.
Yeah. It's one thing to talk about the theory, but it's so inspiring to hear from real people who are using AI to build businesses, pursue their passions, make a difference.
Totally. So who are we meeting today?
Well, first up, we have Sarah. She's a stay-at-home mom who's always loved graphic design. But, finding time to actually create stuff with little kids running around, it's not easy.
Right. I can imagine.
So she discovered Midjourney, which is that AI design tool we talked about.
Oh, yeah. The one that can create designs in like seconds.
That's the one. She started using it to create designs for print-on-demand products.
Yeah.
Get this, within a few months, she was able to replace her previous income.
Wow. Seriously.
And she even scaled her business way beyond what she thought was possible. She went from just T-shirts to mugs, phone cases, tote bags, all kinds of stuff, all featuring her AI-generated designs.
That's amazing. And she was able to do all of this while still being a stay-at-home mom.
Exactly. She
Yeah.
found a way to balance, motherhood with her creative passions and her financial goals.
AI giving her the superpower of time management. I love it. Okay, who's next?
Let's talk about John. He's a freelance writer who was starting to burn out, trying to keep up with the constant demand for content.
Oh, yeah. I feel that the content treadmill never stops.
Right. He was spending hours and hours on research, writing, editing, and it was starting to drain his creativity.
Yeah, I get that. It's hard to stay inspired when you're constantly churning out content.
So he started experimenting with ChatGPT.
The AI writing tool.
Yep. He started using it to generate blog post outlines, draft articles, even come up with social media captions.
And how did that go?
It was a game changer. He was able to free up so much time and mental energy so he could actually focus on the parts of writing that he really enjoyed, like crafting stories, refining his voice.
So AI became his secret weapon for productivity.
Exactly. And the best part is, it actually helped him rediscover his love for writing.
That's so cool. It's like AI give him the space to be creative again. What about his business, though? Did it actually help him earn more?
Oh, yeah, big time. He was able to take on more clients, increase his earnings significantly. But more importantly, he felt like he was back in control of his career, enjoying the process instead of feeling like he was just grinding all the time.
That's amazing. Okay, I'm ready for our next AI side hustle hero. Who is it?
This one's for all the aspiring investors out there.
Mm.
Let's meet Maria. She's a retired teacher who always wanted to, be more proactive about her finances. But the stock market always seems so intimidating.
Yeah, I think a lot of people feel that way.
So she discovered this AI-powered investing platform.
The kind we talked about earlier.
Yep, and it totally changed her outlook. She was amazed by how the platform could identify investment opportunities that she would have never found on her own.
And did it actually work?
Oh, yeah. Her portfolio started growing, and she was actually outperforming some traditional investment strategies.
Wow, way.
But what really excited her was that feeling of, taking ownership of her financial future. She was making decisions based on data, not just guesswork.
That's awesome.
Cool.
Okay, so we've had the creative side hustle, the productivity side hustle, the financial side hustle. What's next?
Let's meet David. He's a software engineer who wanted to use his skills to make a positive impact on the world.
I love that. So what did he do?
He volunteered his time to an organization that was developing an AI-powered app to help farmers in developing countries.
Wait, AI can help farmers?
Oh yeah, big time. This app uses AI algorithms to help farmers optimize their crop yields and reduce water consumption.
So using AI to tackle global challenges like food security, that's incredible.
It is. And David's technical expertise was crucial in making sure the app could provide personalized recommendations for each farmer,
Yeah.
based on their crops, their soil, the weather.
So he was literally using his coding skills to make a difference in people's lives.
And it's actually working. This app has helped farmers increase their productivity, improve their livelihoods, and conserve precious resources.
That's such a powerful example of how AI can be used for good. Okay, as we wrap up this AI side hustle deep dive, I'm feeling super inspired. It's clear that AI is more than just a way to make money. It's a tool for creativity, for empowerment, for making a real difference.
And the craziest thing is, we're just at the beginning.
Mm.
AI is constantly evolving.
Mm.
So who knows what kind of amazing side hustles will be possible in the future.
I can't wait to find out. But before we go, I want to leave our listeners with one final thought. Don't just think about how to use AI to earn extra cash. Think about how you can use it to solve problems you care about. Explore your creative side. Contribute to something bigger than yourself.
I love that. And remember, you don't need to be a tech genius to get started. There are tons of resources and communities out there to help you learn, experiment, connect with others.
So embrace the power of AI, explore the possibilities, and most importantly, have fun.
Absolutely. Until next time,